How to use dual apps in Android. So in your Android device, you may have a feature, built-in feature, that is either an app cloner or the parallel app. Now to use that, you have to open up settings in your device. Once you're here, scroll down and then tap on apps. Once you're under the apps, all you have to do is scroll all the way down, and under general there is this built-in features that says parallel application. That's going to allow you to use dual app in your Android device. Tap on it. After that, you will see a list of supported application that can be duplicated in your device. Now you have to select the app that you want to clone by toggling the switch next to it. For example, if you want to create the clone application for Facebook, you have to toggle this on. Here it says parallel Facebook has been created. Now the cloned application will appear on your home screen. To check that, you can close this and open up your app page, and there you can see our cloned Facebook application has been created, which is marked with a small symbol or the locked icon under that application. Now you can use this parallel application and log in with your separate accounts, and in that way you can use the original application and parallel application with separate accounts. So log in by providing your login credential, and that's how you use dual application in Android. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.